Today is we are going to do the practical for the hematology, hemostasis, practical 3. We're going to do PT and APTT using the semi-automated machine. Before we did it, the tilted test tube. Now I just draw two tubes from me. You can see for PT and PTT is of course sodium citrate, and on the ratio of, as I told you, the ratio of the blood to the anticoagulant will be 1:9, 1 volume anticoagulant and 9 volume blood. Now you see the blue here, the blue line. This is where there's the fill of this blood. See how the blood is filled? This is a very good draw. This is a very good draw. It's not a short draw. There is enough vacuum to fill up to 2 milliliters. This is from here to here, it's 2 milliliters. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using for the PT and PTT. Now, for PT, this is the machine we're going to be using. This has the principle of this machine. This has a spectrophotometry in it. It's a light emission. So, and this is the cuvette where we put the blood, or we put the plasma. We put the plasma and the reagent here, and the light goes through. As long as this fluid still is not clotted, you know, the detector is going to detect light. When the clot formed, there will be no light detected at the detector and will stop the clock. It's a very simple procedures. Light go through as long as there is a fluid inside, it's not clotted yet. So we have a detector. It counts the time from the second I added the reagent till the blood starts clotting. The light will be hindered, won't be reaching the detector of the spectrophotometer. Now, for PT, all we have to do for PT is take the plasma, sodium citrate plasma, and add the reagent. The reagent, as I explained to you, is a calcium with tissue thromboplastin. Calcium with tissue thromboplastin. If we put tissue thromboplastin over and calcium over the serum, it should clot within 11 to 13 seconds. To follow the instruction, it says 50 microliter of, in this case, of serum, of plasma, and you press incubate here. Now, when I press incubate, there is a timer started from the 60-second and goes down to all the way to the 0. When it's 0, I have to take the cuvette from here. I think if Nabil can show you. And after this, I have to take the cuvette from here to here. This is where the light is, and add to it the tissue thromboplastin, which is 100 microliters. As soon as I add, the clock again will stop. It doesn't start. It doesn't stop until it reaches until the blood clots. Thanks. Do you hear? When it reaches 5 seconds, tell me to move this from here into incubate into the chamber here. And it tells me to add 100 microliter of tissue thromboplastin. Here, timer already started, and won't stop until look at this. Look. 12.5 seconds. So the good thing about this, if you do it over and over and over and over, you're gonna get the same number. Now, this is for PT. For PTT, It's almost similar. We remove this, we press reset, and we have to press escape here, and we have to turn it to the PTT mode. This is the PTT mode. You see it here, our APTT mode, and enter, and take a cuvette. In this case, we have to add serum, platelet phospholipid, and calcium. This is, says add 50 microliter of plasma, 50 microliter of plasma. Here, 50 microliter of plasma. Now, 50 microliter of tissue thromboplastin with activator. Here. So, and we press incubate. In this case, the incubation period is 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we have to add the calcium. So as soon as we add the calcium, everything will be ready, and the clock starts. It doesn't stop until it is clotted, and it tells us what is the APTT is. Now, as I see it, is 82 and going down. Now, in the cuvette, I didn't tell you earlier, this is a magnetic stirrer. So this is to stir the reagent and the sample as the sample being clotted. This is where we get the magnetic stirrer. Each of these cuvettes, we put a magnetic stirrer to stir, to mix the reagent with the samples. Now we have 40 seconds and going down. After 40 seconds, the machine starts beeping, tells me, move this cuvette from here to the chambers where you have to add the last 50 microliter of calcium. So by adding calcium, everything will be complete. Calcium, tissue thromboplastin, and plasma. Listen. I don't know if you can do it. See? I'm moving this from here, taking 50 microliter of calcium. Wait for it, and then it tells me added. It tells me go and add 50 microliter. I added it. The timing started, and you will see how my PTT is going to be. Hopefully, if it is normal. Yeah, you can have a close up. 27. 24, 25, 26. Come on. Very good. What is it?
28.6.
28.6, only between 25 to 35. It's normal. I'm right that night in the middle. Alhamdulillah, I'm very normal. I don't have any abnormality in my clotting factors. Thank you.